Good morning, everybody. So this is going to be my first get ready with me video. I'm going to warn you now, it's nothing spectacular. It's going to be quite ordinary. When it comes to my face, my body, and my hair, I try to keep everything as natural as possible. So if you're looking for, I guess you would say, a full beat, you're not going to get that in this video. I don't wear foundation. I don't wear a primer. I don't even know the names of all of this stuff. I wear mascara and eyeliner, and even sometimes that's a struggle because my wings are like never even. I don't know if you can see that in my videos, but this is going to be very basic. We're going to wash our face with a couple of things. We're going to do our hair, then we're going to get dressed. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's start with this soap. It is a cleansing soap. It is very mild. I absolutely love it. I would say I've probably been using this for the month of November, and I love it. I use it in the morning and I use it at night. And also, I will say this, I don't have oily skin and I don't have dry skin. I'm right in the middle, but this soap is very mild. It has never burned me. It has never irritated my skin, none of that. But I will say that when I do wash it off, I do feel as though that my face has been cleansed. Okay, so let's move on to this mask. It is by a company called Gleaming, and I absolutely love this mask. If you look at it, it's very thick. It's made up of aloe and turmeric, and those are two really good things that you can put on your skin. And as far as aloe is concerned, I drink it and I also use it in my hair. But when you put this on, after you take it off, you will just have like this beautiful glow. And that's what I love about it. Now, there are instructions on there. It doesn't tell you how many days or how many times to use it. So I typically just use it 2 to 3 times a week. So that could be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That could be Wednesday, Friday. I feel as though as long as I use it at least 2 times a week, that my skin is benefiting from it. Okay, so now we're just gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. And as you can see, now it is dry. So now we're gonna just hop in the shower and wash it off. Okay, so now we're going to use a toner. It has rose water, tea tree oil, vitamin E, and witch hazel. I actually make this myself, and then I just kind of use like a cotton pad, and I get these from Target. And this just also helps with hyperpigmentation. So, to keep my skin moisturized throughout the day, I use Nivea. Very mild, very basic, nothing fancy. I have been using Nivea, I would say, probably since I have been washing myself, I guess you would say. My mother uses it, so I've been using it, and it's held me through, it's taken me through up until now. And then just a little Vaseline for my lips. Okay, now let's go ahead and move into hair. So if you don't know, if you don't watch my channel, I mainly keep my hair in mini twists, but it is actually time for me to wash my hair. I just was not able to get around to it this weekend. So these twists that you're about to see are just jumbo twists because I had to re-moisturize my hair. So we're gonna go ahead and just take these out, and then we're gonna style. And this is just a quick tip if you wear your hair in mini twists or if you want to try. If your twists are a couple of days old, never, ever, ever take them out dry. I always use an oil to take them out. I use avocado oil. Coconut oil does not agree with me, and we are out of olive oil. So just make sure when you're taking them out, even if they are big, just make sure that you're coating your hair. That way, when you actually start taking your twists out, there's some slip and there won't be so many tangles and snarls. Okay, so now we're going to get into styling. This is one of my go-to hairstyles, whether my hair is out or whether it is in twists. So I take the left front of my hair and I part it. And I just take a clip and I put it up because we're going to be working with the rest of the hair. And this is what I use, the Camilla Rose Almond Jai. I love it. It keeps my hair moisturized and shiny. And I use a soft bristle brush. And then let's actually look at it from the back so you can see what I'm doing. Bobby pins. I don't use ponytail holders. You will never see me with a ponytail holder. I don't even keep them in the house. Every single style that you see, whether it be on my channel, whether it be Instagram, or anytime you see me, it's always done with bobby pins. Now, if I have a high bun, I have like a very soft scrunchie that I use, but the rest of it is bobby pins. Okay, now let's work on this front left piece. The same Camilla Rose Almond Jai. Same brush. And I'm just going to take it and start twisting. And then what am I going to use to secure this? Bobby pins. Now for this slick down or for my baby hairs, I use Eco Styler. It is yellow, the actual gel is yellow, and then the top is red. My tried and true clip. I know I need to get a new one, but I just can't let go of this one. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is Maybelline, the Colossal Volume Express, and then the eyeliner is just Revlon Color Stay Skinny. And this is now the struggle portion of this Get Ready With Me video. I don't even know if this is how you apply eyeliner, but this is how I apply it. This is how it somehow or somewhat comes out right. I'm pretty sure that I'm not supposed to be doing this, but this is how I've always done it. Like I said before, I have actually tried to do a smoky eye and I came out looking like a raccoon. So that's just how I do it to keep things simple. And then moving on to mascara, I'm pretty sure there are not that many ways to apply mascara, but that's how I do it. I just keep it really simple, like I said before, when it comes to my face. And then this pencil or eye pencil is just a simple black eye pencil from MAC. But that's really it. Makeup and hair is done. Okay, so now that we have finished our face, we have finished our hair, everything is good. Now we're going to get dressed. So I am excited to show you guys. I'm just walking through because part of my IKEA pack system is here. I've been wanting that for a while. So let's walk into my closet because that's what it's going to be. And I will just show you two of the pieces that have arrived. So we have this one right here. So I did get, this is the 79 inch, it's 39 inches across. And then everything is customizable. So this bar that you see, I got two of them. And then on this side, this one has arrived as well. And I can't wait to give y'all a tour, but just so excited. But what we are going to be wearing today is just a set, basically. So today is my first day off, I would say probably since I've been working the storm, I would say anywhere from 7 to 9 weeks. I've been working since September, so I'm just gonna put on a set. And you guys have seen it before, so I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. Okay, so we have the top. It is long sleeve, but I just chose to scrunch them up. And then like I said, we have the camisole. And then let's go ahead and back up. Okay, you guys, so that is it. My first Get Ready With Me. I want to say I did pretty well. Let me know if you like these type of videos. I will try to do another one, although it's not going to be far from what you just saw. The only thing that will be different will probably be my hair. That is what I focus on, and as you can see, it took a majority of the time. But the rest of the day today is really just going to be number one, paying bills. I always do that. Then I will do my Black Friday shopping. Then I have 2 videos to shoot, and then I will try to get in at least 3 looks. But that's it. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, you guys, getting ready with me. I will see y'all later. Bye.